Well, I'm currently in the process of testing each node on my Dell Poweredge C6320. And boy, these things are really cranking out some heat. The CPUs are getting kind of hot. That's around 160 degrees basically, Fahrenheit. And they've been hovering around 200 watts each node, so overall, this 4-node server is drawing almost a kilowatt on the 220-volt split phase circuits plugged into right now. Definitely hungry. And also kind of noisy. I feel like this would be a little less noisy if they had a bit better of a cooling situation. They almost should have double stacked the fans, in my opinion. But I kind of wish I had a thermal camera, because holy cow, this thing is just, it's a wall of heat now. It's just pouring out like it's no one's business. But yeah, just slowly working away at this. Its end fate's just gonna be I'm gonna sell it or I'm gonna part it out, because I have no use for this and I don't know what I'd do with it even if I kept it, because I kind of prefer my CPUs down here in the dark, which you can't see. There we go. I kind of prefer the R720s because I can put GPUs in them. But yeah, we'll see what happens. At least for now I get to have some fun with it, and I did get one Intel branded SFP with this, so I'm gonna see if it'll play nice with the SFP modules I have, and maybe I can get one of the nodes online for the fun of it and do some stress tests or something, I don't know. But yeah, these things, holy cow. I wish I would have tested this when it was cold out. It's just cranking out the heat. So I don't know, if you have any video ideas you want me to try, let me know. I think what I'm probably going to do though is the most lazy option possible, which is install Windows 10 on one of the nodes. But thanks for watching.